Bow specialist. Bow specialist. Bows draw and reload faster, and you regenerate arrows over time. Bow specialist. So specialist in Te Reo Māori is kai matai. Kai matai whana. Hang on, let me type this in. Kai matai whana. So kai matai is a specialist in anything, and whana is bow. Is our Māori word for bow. So that's our bow specialist. And then we've got our demolition munitions. I don't really use this one much. I don't know, I haven't seen anybody really use this one much. But demolition munitions is orota hamanu. So orota is demolition, and hamanu is ammunitions. So demolition munitions is orota hamanu. And the reason why we got our double A's, my keyboard, I can't bring up a macron. Normally it would just be one A with a what do you call it? Hyphen or dash on top of the A, on top of this A. But because I can't, and that dash just means that we need to prolong that letter or that vowel. So orota, instead of orota, we go orota hamanu. So that's demolitions munitions. Our next one is our rifle recycle. So it basically means that your medium ammo could recycle when you're shooting your pū mihini, your AR. Oh, there you go, sis. Yeah, kitty cat. Oh, you fellas have it. I can do it on my phone, but for some reason I can't do it on my keyboard. So to recycle is hangarua, and rifle is another word for gun, so I just went with pū. So pū hangarua is rifle recycle. And then we've got our tactical armory. So this drops a rare tactical AR or our pū mihini, and our combat shotgun, or our pū hoata, which is our shotgun. So it's pretty much, they're supposed to be awesome weapons, eh? So I went with, there's no real word for tactical or armory, so I went with Ngā Rākaua 2, which is Māori weaponry, or the weapons of Tūmatauenga, our god of war. Because I think this is sort of like, if you use this augment, then you like these guns, and they're your special guns, and yeah. So I went with Ngā Rākaua 2, which means our Māori weaponry, or the weapons of Tūmatauenga, our god of war. Our next one is our chug gunner, which is on the next page, I think. Our chug gunner. So our chug is our splashes. that beautiful stuff that increases our health and our shield. And our medicine in Te Reo Māori is called rongoa, which is natural medicine. A lot of it is plants and herbs that we find in our own native forests or in our own backyard. So rongoa is what I use, is what I've used to in the past with our splashes. And the Māori word for cannon is repo. So I went with rongoa repo, which is a chug cannon. Rongoa repo. And then we've got our pāko. I actually quite like this more pāko. If I come across it and I don't have much gold left, I don't actually mind this. We just have unlimited energy. As long as you jump over something, you can just run, and then when you see your orange bar running out, you just jump over something again, and then you can run forever. So you've got heaps of energy, just keeps regenerating. So I went with Whakakaurahi. So Whakakaurahi is everlasting energy, strength, and I named more parkour with Whakakaurahi. So that's our kupu